Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm Go Haishun, just out the newest products on my right hand. This is a hood system connected tubes. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. From edge to edge, it's about like a 31 inches by 31 inches. And the depth is about like a 20 inches. For the inner side, it's about like a 29 inches by 29 inches. And on side of the hinge, it is about like a 31 inches long and 3 inches deep. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.